Hi everyone, my name is Karina. Are you interested in applying for a degree program at Linköping University? Here are some tips. Number 1. Get information about the program. Choose carefully which programs you apply to. Do you have the right educational background? Do spend some time reading the program webpage as well as the contents of the program. There are detailed descriptions of all modules included in the program. Check out if there are any upcoming or recorded webinars about the program. You may apply for up to 4 different programs in the same or different universities. Make sure to rank the one you want the most as your first priority. Tip number 2. Review the admissions requirements. In order to be eligible for a master's program in Sweden, you have to submit a bachelor's degree diploma or a certificate of ongoing studies if you are on the final year of your bachelor's, together with all your transcript of records. Make sure you also meet the program-specific requirements. Not having understood the program-specific requirements is one of the most common mistakes. Many engineering programs require previous studies in maths or other subject relevant to the program. Always submit a course description, that's a syllabus, of the course modules that included mathematics along with your application. Also, many arts and sciences programs ask for a letter of intent. Tip number 3. Submit documents as soon as possible. Submit all required documents before February 1st. It is a fixed deadline. Thus, we're talking about certificates and diplomas from your bachelor studies, all transcripts, supporting documents for proficiency in English, supporting documents for the specific entry requirements, a copy of passport or ID showing if you are a fee-paying student or not. If you upload any supporting document after February 1st, you will be considered a late applicant. Late applicants will only be assessed if the program is still open when the document arrives and if there are still available places. Tip number 4. Secure means to finance your studies. Non-EU citizens need to pay tuition fee in advance every semester. Do you have the funds? Linköping University offers a very limited number of partial scholarships. So start thinking about finances early. It's a good idea. Living cost in Sweden is around 900 euros or $900 per month. Make sure to have all of this in mind. Welcome with your application.